video, I'm making fried plantain, also known as Tostones. Peel your plantain and cut in 5 pieces. Make sure your plantain is not cold, because if it is cold, it might be hard for you to peel. If so, place the plantain in the microwave for about 30 seconds and you can peel it. Make a brine with hot water, vinegar, salt, pepper, garlic, and onion powder. Then place the plantain in the brine. That's also gonna help the plantain from browning or oxidize. Heat oil and place plantain in the oil for about 5 minutes till brown. Carefully remove the plantain and press with a presser, Tostonera. I never can say that word right. If you don't have one, you can use the plantain skin. Trust me, it works all the time. Place back the pressed plantain in the brine and fry again for another 5 minutes until nice crispy and golden brown. Remove, place the plantain in the paper towel to remove all the excess oil, and you can eat with pickles or any dipping sauce you want to. If you remember from my previous video, I made some pickles. You can look for the recipes. Please enjoy the videos and thank you for watching.